How to send your location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Now type the recipient's name into the To field and select the correct contact. To the left of the text input field, tap the plus icon. List of apps will appear. Here, select Location. The iPhone will then find your current location and display it as a pin on a map directly within the message window. Sharing your location lets you share your real-time location from devices with people in Google Apps for personal safety. To send it, simply tap the send arrow. A map showing the location pin is sent to the recipient, who can then tap on it to get directions or view it in their Maps app. Following these steps, you can easily send your location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.